guys what they look like on the truck. I'm down the street from it, so I'll get back with you guys right now. We got the Cosmis right here, 20 by 9.5. What they look like when you get them in the box. Center caps do come. Can't wait to see this motherfucker. Finally getting rid of these 24s. Scraped up curb rash. Giving me goddamn flats all the damn time. Giving these wheels back to the boy that let me borrow them. It's gonna be for sure paint, drop, and my damn sunroof, and maybe system and interior later. Who knows? The rear is looking nice. Front, I don't really like my specs, but I'll get some bigger, wider tires or something to look better. So here it is, y'all. Don't mind the back. Gotta clean all that shit up once I do my harness. So here it is. This is what it looks like. I know it's a little dark now. We'll post pictures on my Instagram so you guys want to see what they look like. Take some during the day. They are a little bit dirty. The truck's just been sitting now for a little bit. For now, got the new tow rig over there. So, but this is what 20 by I believe 9 Cosmis will look like on your NBS if you have one.
On today's episode of What the Fuck's Going On, we got a white Chevy Silverado. We got Mr. Boosted right here. We're moving the front end. We're doing a front end swap. Eventually get a engine swap too. What you gotta say, my boy? How's the work going?
I'm hungry. I'm starving. They're slaving me, guys.
You know, that's a 9 to 5, bro. That's how it works. You need the bumpers off. And this shit is crooked as fuck. Damn. Oh, that shit.
The episode of how fucked up is fucked up. That's fucked up.
We're doing the radiator support too. Once we pick apart. That's the new one right there.
Yeah, so we got it done. We just gotta lower. We gotta get the brackets lowered for the bumper so we can go put the valence on. And we can put our grill on. I think we're gonna need new fenders or something because it is dented down there. I mean, it's not noticeable until I start staring at it, but you could tell. And that motherfucker, look, motherfucker tripping out. Gotta get the fog lights, make that work. You can hear the little baby can. You hear that? Quit playing with them.
Ding 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 dum 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 dum.
Hey, what can is that, fool?
Bro, that's a fucking Chupacabra, bro.
Chupacabra cam right there, boy. Look at that. Woo!